Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 9. Underground storage stem which grow horizontally in the soil are A. Bulbs, B. Runners, C. Rhizomes, D. Combs. Now, when you are given a question like this, to answer the question efficiently, you need to have foreknowledge of let's say all the options. A is a bulb. Now, what is a bulb? Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 9. Underground storage stem which grow horizontally in the soil are A. Bulbs, B. Runners, C. Rhizomes, D. Combs. When you are given a question like this, at least you should have a foreknowledge or idea about all the options. Now we'll go through all the options briefly. A. Bulb. Now, what is a bulb? Now, bulb refers to underground condensed shoots, and that's the keyword, underground condensed shoots. Now, this underground condensed shoots bear fleshy and scaly leaves, such as the onion. Now, secondly, we have the runners. Now, runners refers to weak stem that creep on the soil surface. So now the keyword here is weak stem that creeps on the soil surface, such as the potato stem. Now, thirdly, we have rhizomes. Now, rhizomes are underground storage stems. Fourthly, we have the combs. Now, combs are underground short swollen stem bases that grow vertically. Now, they are underground stems that grow vertically. Now, from this little explanation, you agree with me that the answer to this particular question is rhizomes, underground storage stem. It was listed here. They say underground storage stem which grow horizontally in the soil are. The correct answer to this particular question is rhizomes. Thank you. Please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.